Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Amit Surana and I am here with the fourth lecture of Logarithms. In today's lecture, what we'll be looking at are actual CAT questions. We have in the back today questions from 2017 and a question from 2018's CAT. Now, what you need to understand here is over the years, we have seen that about two questions definitely come from logarithms. Yes, in every paper that you see, right, two questions directly or indirectly related to logarithms are definitely there. Yes. So keeping that in mind, we decided that we would definitely do an actual CAT questions on logarithms. So that is what you're viewing right now. I hope you guys have had a great day today, and I wish you a very good evening. Please send in how your day was, and let's begin with the session then. Yes. Right. Hello Vedant. Hi Sakshi. Hello Pooja. Hi Khushbu. Good evening. How are you guys doing? Yes, I hope you guys are doing great. Yes. All right. Cool. Hi. Hello Divya. Good evening. Okay, keeping in mind that we have not only had three lectures on logarithms, and we've also had a quiz in the session yesterday. Yes, keeping that in mind, I have presumed that we are ready for taking up CAT questions, right? And since we've been seeing this for a very long time and we've gotten comfortable with it, I thought that why not do actual CAT questions today? Yes. Right. Hello, Shubham. Hi, Bhavya. Hi, Priyanka. Hi, Pitaji. I'm doing great. Thank you very much. How are you doing? I hope घर पे सब ठीक है. माता जी, भैया जी, बहन जी सब ठीक है. I hope. Right. Okay. So if you are not aware who I am, my name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer from Chennai. I have over 6 years of teaching quantitative aptitude experience. Right. I've been doing this for over 6 years now, and I've helped train 2 lakh students to achieve whatever their aims were. If you haven't already started sharing this on your social media platforms, I have not seen many tags. Either you are not tagging me, you are doing this very silently, very subtly, right? You are keeping it on a low key. You are going to people and whispering in their ears के भैया पता है कैट का सेशन रोज होता है, वो भी फ्री यूट्यूब पे है, या अन अकेडमी का कैट सेशन चल रहा है यहाँ पे. Either you are doing that or you are hiding it from me, right? Don't do that. Yes, let me know, let others also know that this is happening. Yes. Got it. Yeah. So I would definitely like to see people talking about these sessions, right? So that people who actually need it, right? When I say need, I'm talking about people who cannot afford taking up a paid course, or cannot afford going to an institute to take coaching, or cannot afford risking their own lives. Yes, you need to do your part to let people know about this, right? So do not forget to use hashtag cat live daily. Do not forget to tag yours truly in that as well. Yes, tag me so that I know you are doing it because I asked you to. Yes, I would definitely say trust issues rakh lo, kuch bhi rakh lo. I definitely have trust issues. Okay, so I want you to tag me in that, and I want at least people who are coming here, visiting our lectures, watching our lectures, being benefited by our lectures daily. At least you guys should start doing that, right? At least now would be your time to pay up. You understand? Yes. And I'm not talking about paying in terms of money only. I'm talking about paying in terms of you showing your loyalty towards us as well, right? So go ahead, share this, let people know that this is happening, and tag me also. Okay, definitely towards the end of the day today, I will go and check. I'll see the number of tags I'm getting, and then I'll see what to do about it. Yeah, so I'm hoping I have my fingers crossed to see some of these tags today. And if you're looking for notifications on the classes, if you think that you would want to know what would be the classes, what would be the schedule, at what time which educator would take a session, or if you would want reminders, also if you would want notes at one single place, right? So we do all of that, all of those information is provided here. Yes, on the Telegram community that we have, join it to keep yourself informed about CAT sessions and CAT 2020 in itself. And the Unacademy Plus subscription, yes, yesterday whoever attended my session knows, right? This is Mercedes, and what you think you are driving is a Maruti, you understand, right? Yes, so please help us sorry, let me help you drive your Mercedes, you understand? Yes. So if you are in the final year, go ahead and take the 12-month package. It's less than 1500 if you do not use my code. If you use my code, that money drops out, that amount drops down to 1300 a month. Yes, and there are no cost EMIs as well. That basically means what? You do not even require someone to help you, right? You understand, right? You can pay them back. Yes. Yeah, I understand, because at this time in age, definitely a little bit ego will kick in. Yes, KR sir, how do I take money from my parents, or how do I take money from my guardians? Yes, this is your opportunity to pay them back, you understand, right? You can actually pay them back, because the EMI options make it very simple for you to do that. Yeah. And if you are in the pre-final year, that means if you would be taking CAT 2021, and the 24-month one is even lighter on the pocket, right? Less than 700 a month if you use my code. So please go ahead, use my referral code Surana Live. That will fetch you the 10% discount that you need. Yes, and I'm hoping to see a lot of you there. Without any further ado, let's get on with today's session. Yes, let's get on. Let's talk about actual CAT questions. So let me tell you what we'll be looking at. We'll be looking at questions from 2017 and a question from 2018. Yes. Right. Hello, Amit. Hi, Sirat. Good evening. Welcome, Amit. If you are new, then you would definitely want to see how we have grown into solving actual CAT questions from logarithms without breaking a sweat. Yes. So let me quickly give you a cheat sheet. This is the same cheat sheet that we had seen yesterday. So if you weren't there in yesterday's session, here is the cheat sheet. Take a screenshot of this. Yes. This would definitely help you keep in mind all the laws, all the rules of logarithms. Yes. So we are talking about the basic logarithmic expression. We are talking about the rules of operation, that is, product, quotient, and exponent. And we are talking about the base change rules, and we are talking about the rules based on the values. Also, this is the rule to find out. This is the not a formula per se, but this is the concept to find out the number of digits in the given term. Yes. So if you guys are ready, and you want to show me that you are ready, then drop in a yes, drop in a thumbs up, drop in a fire to let me know that you are ready and you're waiting for me to start with the first question. Yes. And if you are new, let me tell you how we roll. I would give you 90 seconds. To solve a question. Yes. You would definitely want to solve it on your own in the first go. Yes. I would want you to solve it in the first go. Yes. If you're not able to, or if you think that you would want a better approach to the question, you can wait for me to give you the solution for it, right? And I'll ensure that you guys understand questions that were asked in actual CAT. Yes. All right, superb. So I can see Pitaji, I can see Shekhar, I can see Kajal, Shubham, Divya, Khushbu, Sirat, and Vedant having their game face on. Others also, please feel free to drop in your current state of mind. Yes. So my next slide is going to be the first question. Yes. The moment I change the slide, this would turn out to be a question. So 90 seconds would start then on. Are you all ready? Yes. So let's go. Here is the first question. This was from CAT 2017, from the first lot of it. Yes. Have a look at the question. Keep an eye on the timer always. Yes. And let's see where this takes us. Yeah. Superb, right? Badal, Suraj, let's do this, guys. Come on. So what do you have to ensure? What do you have to ensure? Yes, if you see what is asked here, what is asked here is geometric mean. Yes, the term used here is geometric mean. So you need to know what geometric mean is. Yes, you need to know what geometric mean is. So geometric mean G is nothing but the two terms or three terms or four terms, whatever, right? So a general formula for the geometric mean would be what? If there are terms, let's say a, b, c, all the way till n, yes, and that raised to the power 1 by n. You understand? Yes, these are the terms a1, a2, a3, all the way till an. Yes, so a1 into a2 into all the way till an, whole power 1 by n. That means you have to take the root of power n. You understand? Yes, root of n you have to take. Yes. Okay, Harika has already given her answer. Harika has given her answer in a minute. Very nice, Harika. You are almost half a Maggie. Okay, I'm sorry, bad joke, I understand. Yeah, your 30 seconds are, sorry, your 90 seconds are up, guys. Your 90 seconds are up. I hope you guys have gotten the answer. If you have gotten the answer, don't think twice before dropping it in. Yes, drop it in the answer choices. Yes. मेरे पिताजी ने भी आंसर दे दिया है, अब तो आपको देना ही पड़ेगा गाइस, राइट? हाय विजय, हेलो, आज थोड़ा लेट हो गए, क्या बात है? Okay, so what does it say? They're saying us to assume log x to the base 3 to be equal to log y to the base 12, which is equal to a. Yes, and they're saying what? X and y. So x and y are positive numbers. And they have told that the geometric mean of x and y, yes, if g is the geometric mean of x and y, yeah, g is the geometric mean of x and y, they want us to find out what is log g to the base 6. Yes, log g to the base 6. Very nice, very nice. Everyone who has answered it, who have answered it, super. Okay, so the first thing that we have to ensure here, is, see, we have two terms, right? Let's write that down. Let's write what's given to us. We have log x to the base 3. We have log y to the base 12. Yes, this is what is given to us. Yes, this is equal to a, and this is also equal to a. Yeah, now what is asked, what is told to us, that g is the geometric mean of x and y. That means what? X into y to the power 1 by 2, or in other words, square root of x and y. You understand? Why square root? Because there are two terms x and y. If there were 3, cube root. If there were 4, fourth root. Yes. Now I need the value of g to go ahead with this, right? I need to know what is g to ensure that I can go ahead with this. Yes. So what would I need for g? I would need the values of x and y. Yeah. So what would I do this? I would convert a logarithmic expression into an exponential form. Yes. That basically means what? That x, yes, x, the term here is nothing but what? 3 to the power a, because 3 is the base, yes, and this is the exponential form. This is the exponent, this is the term, this is the base. Yes. So term is equal to what? Base to the power the given exponent. Yes. Similarly, what is y? What would y be? Y would be equal to what? 12 to the power a. Yes. So this is very essential, right? This particular information is very essential for us to move ahead with the question. Why? Because now I can go ahead and find out the value of g. What would be g now? G would be equal to what? Square root of, what is x? 3 power a. What is y? 12 power a. Yes. Now I know this would be what? So a could be the common power of both. So 3 times 12 is 36. 36 power a, the square root of that. Yes. I do not know a, but I know for sure that 36 is what? 6 square. So I can write this as 6 square, the whole power a. That is nothing but what? 6 power 2a to the power 1 by 2, because square root is 1 by 2. So what happens? The value of g is how much? 6a. The value of g is how much? 6a. What do they want us to find out? They want us to find out log g to the base 6. Yes, so if you see by doing this, you've already gotten your answer. Yes, this is the base, check. Yes, the base part, check. This is the term, check. This is also done. Yeah, so what happens now? All you have to do is convert this into the logarithmic form, which you get as what? Log g to the base 6 is equal to what? A. And that is my answer to this question. Yes. Are we clear? This is the answer to our question. So what's the answer here? A. Yes. So anyone who said option D, A is the answer, a very good job, guys. A very good job. Yes, super. Yes, this is extremely nice question as well as a little easy, provided we know what to do with the logarithmic expressions. Yes, we need to know how to convert logarithmic expressions in terms of exponential form. Yes, super. Arvinder, yeah, there have hardly been situations like that, but I would not want you to lose hope. Text me, send me a text on Instagram or Telegram, and we'll discuss it there. Yes, I can tell you in detail what you should expect and what are the things to keep in mind. Yeah. All right. Superb, guys. Everyone who were able to answer this, cheers to you. Are you all ready for the second question now? This was a pretty decent question, right? This was a decent question. Not very difficult. Why? Because it was from 2017. Yes, and 2017 has been a darling to us so far. Yeah. All right. Are you all ready for the next question? The next question is also from 2017's first lot. That means this would be the second question from logarithms of the same paper, Yes. All right. Charvi, we also have a question from inequality. We'll also see that. Don't worry. Yes, we also have a question from inequality here that deals with logarithms. Yes. All right. So my next slide would be the second question of the day, and the timer has begun. Start this, guys. What they have told is the value of log root 5 to the base 0.008 plus log 81 to the base root 3 minus 7 is equal to what? This is the question. Yes, this is the question here. Yeah, go ahead, sink in the question for a while, right? Sink in the question, try to understand what should your approach be here. Yes, this is, please understand this, this is not log 81 minus 7 to the base 3. No. Yes, this is a separate term. You understand? ये अलग टर्म है, right? So log root 5 to the base 0.008 plus log 81 to the root 3 minus 7 is what is asked. Yes. So what would you have to do? This has to be equal to some fractions, right? Some fractions. That basically means they cannot end up being imaginary. They have to be real, and most of it has to be in its proper form, right? Integral, not integral also, but still yet it has to be in its proper form. Yes. So what would you have to ensure? You would have to ensure that you're dealing with the same base. Yes, you'll have to ensure that you're dealing with the same base. If not with the same base, you would at least have to deal with something that would help you eliminate the log part. Yes. And not cause a lot of damage also. That's also important here when it comes to that. Yeah. Yes. Any answers yet? Okay, Vijay says the answer is C. Shubham says the answer is B. All right. One here, one here. How about others? Any more answers? None. Okay, let's see how we would answer this. Okay, let's see how we would answer this. Yes. First things first, I'll have to ensure that I get rid of the root. I'll have to ensure that I get rid of this long, decimal. I'll have to ensure that I get rid of the root in the base also, right? I'll have to get rid of all that. So what would I do? What would I do here? Yes, I don't know the base. I don't know the base, but can I write this expression? Can I write this part of the expression as this? Log root 5 divided by log 0.008. I'm not clear of the base yet. Okay, I have not decided on the base yet, but I'll have to ensure that the base is something that will eliminate the entire concept of this. Okay, so this is there. Plus, now let's look at the other expression. What is the other expression? Plus log 81 to the base root 3. So I'll have to do the same thing here, right? Log 81 divided by log root 3. Yes, getting rid of the root, getting rid of the decimal. Yeah, but I don't know what base I'll keep. Yes, this entire thing minus what? 7. Yes, this is what I'll have to ensure. Okay, now let's see what should be our base for this first expression. What should be our base for this first expression? On the numerator, if I have log to the base 5, I can get rid of the root. Correct, I can get rid of the root, but I'll have to ensure that the base here is also 5. So let's see how I can write 0.008 in terms of 5s. Yes, so first let's look at this 0.008. Can I write this as 8 by 1000? Yes, 0.008 is 8 by 1000. So this way I've gotten rid of the decimal, but I have a fraction. Yes, but let's see what we can do with this. This would be what? 2 cube by 10 cube. Yes, 2 cube by 10 cube. That's basically how much? 2 by 10 the whole cube. Yeah, how much is 2 by 10? 2 by 10 is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 the whole cube can be written as what? 5 power minus 3. So I have ensured that we can write 0.08 also in terms of 5. So what can I do? I can definitely call the base to be 5 in both these places. Yes, and I can rewrite this as what? Log root 5 to the base 5 is how much? 1 by 2. Yes, divided by 0.008 is how much? 5 power minus 3. So log 5 power minus 3 to the base 5 is how much? Minus 3. Yes, this part is done. We have sorted. Yes, we are done eliminating the log also from here. Plus, now let's look at this. Root 3, 81, both can be dealt with 3 itself. So let's convert this to base 3. 81 is 3 to the power 4. 81 is what? 3 to the power 4. So log of this would be what? 4 times log 3 base 3. That's how much? 4. Yes. Divided by how much would this be? 1 by 2. Yes. This minus 7, and this would give us our answer. That's it. Yes. So now what we do? We take this further. Right? This would be equal to what? 1 by 2 minus 3 is how much? Minus 1 by 6. Yes. This gives us the reason why the denominators could be 3 or 6. Yes. Okay. Plus, what is 4 by 1 by 2 reciprocal? It will become 8 minus 7. Yes, so this is what? 1 minus 1 by 6. Correct, this is 1. So 1 minus 1 by 6 is how much? 5 by 6. So anyone who has answered option C, 5 by 6, very nice job, guys. Yes. What do we have to ensure here? That we get rid of the log. Yes, we have to ensure that we get rid of the log altogether. Yes. Yeah. Arvinder, my Telegram ID is Surana Live. So type in @Surana Live and you can find me there. Yes. Okay, have you guys understood this one? Have you all understood this one? Any questions with this? Anyone? Does anyone think, no, I would need some time to process this, or does anyone? हाँ चलेगा, कोई नहीं, थोड़ी गलती तो होनी चाहिए, right? To err is human. Yes, and this is only a proof that you are human. Yeah. Yes. Does anyone want me to repeat any part of this? Yeah, ye sorted hai. So everyone who had answered C, yes. Shekhar, mere pitaji, Vijay, very good. Divya, very nice. अदर्स ये क्लियर है क्या? यस, ओके, वेदांत को क्लियर है. अदर्स? All right, so we have sorted one more question out. We have done with one more question. So cheers to that. एक क्वेश्चन डन. Clear your mind. Yes, erase your mind wala board, and then let's move on to the next one. Yes. राइट, हाँ, दिस जनरली हैपेंस पिताजी, होता है ऐसा पावर के साथ. तो थोड़ा विद प्रैक्टिस दिस विल बिकम बेटर. यस, प्रैक्टिस के साथ ये बेटर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. यस, सुपर. चलो, पीयूष, नॉट येट. हमने वो ज्योमेट्री वाला पार्ट अभी तक टच ही नहीं किया. राइट, वी आर ओनली डन विद अरिथमेटिक एंड दिस इज आवर अलजेब्रा पार्ट. यस, चलो फिर लेट्स. आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? तो अगर if you were able to answer these two, or if you think now that we have spoken about the two questions from 2017, you would be more comfortable in answering वैसे वाले questions. Yes, if you think yes you are comfortable with log now, or you will slowly become comfortable, वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलना. ठीक है. Yes, don't forget to hit like. Yeah, चलो, are you all ready for the third question of the day? यस, थर्ड क्वेश्चन 2017 के सेकेंड स्लॉट में से. यस, सेकेंड स्लॉट में से थर्ड क्वेश्चन ये रहा आपके कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे, मोबाइल स्क्रीन पे, जो भी स्क्रीन पे. सो someone who had asked for questions that deal with inequalities, this is very similar to that. The reason why we haven't taken pure questions from log that deal with inequalities is because we haven't touched inequalities yet. Yes, तो जब inequalities करेंगे तब वो वाले questions भी करेंगे. ठीक है. There is a lot more than what you think in inequality there is. Yes, so that's why. Try this out. They're saying x is a real number. Okay, x is a real number such that log 5 to the base 3 is equal to log 2 plus x to the base 5. Base is different here. They're asking which of the following is true. What are they asking? Which of the following is true? Yes, you definitely have the choice to take this algebraically. Yes, you can do this in two ways, algebraically, also with the help of inequalities का concept that is more towards arithmetic than algebra. But ये सोचो, ये try करो and let me know. Right, you have about 10 seconds left to answer this. Yes, ये बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. यस, alright guys, your time is up. Your 90 seconds, designated 90 seconds for this question is done. तो answers भेजना चालू कर दो. Yes, start sending in the answers. Let's see what you get. Okay, Vijay says it's A. ठीक है. Okay, Vijay, if A is true, ठीक है, if A is true, I'm not trying to, अच्छा, सारे यही बोल रहे हैं A. ठीक है, let's see. If A is true, what would you get? You would get log 5 to the base 3 to be equal to log x का वैल्यू has to be between 0 and 3 ना. तो अगर मैं x 1 लूं तो ये satisfy करेगा ना. Yes, अगर मैं x का वैल्यू 1 लूं तो ये satisfy करेगा ना. तो 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So you are saying कि log 5 to the base 3 is equal to log 3 to the base 5. Is it true? Is it true? Yes. So if I equate this to k, what you're saying is k is equal to, yes, sorry, 5 is equal to 3 per k is the same as 3 being equal to 5 per k. Is it true? नहीं guys, नहीं. Yes, no. Why is it not equal? अच्छा, बाकी सब छोड़ दो. ये देखते हैं why is it not equal. Log 5 to the base 3 will be what? More than 1. Correct? Log 5 to the base 3 will be more than 1. Log 3 to the base 5 will be less than 1. Yes, ये more than 1, less than 1 can't be equal to each other, no? Yes, That doesn't work out. That doesn't work out. Yes, option A is not true. Option A is not correct. Option A is not correct. No. ठीक है, अब आंसर्स थोड़े बदल रहे हैं और आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. प्रिंस सेइंग डी. ओके. Pooja, no, A is wrong. A is wrong. Substitute X as 1 and check if it satisfies. It will not. Yes, it will not satisfy. Yeah. Okay, so to look at this question, ठीक है, here is our term. Yeah, 2 plus X. Yes. Now let's try to do something algebraically, see where it takes us. ठीक है, generally क्या करेंगे, ऐसा term देखेंगे तो what will be our first instinct? To change the base, right? So let's change the base. यहाँ पे base swap हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by log 3 to the base 5 should be equal to log 2 plus x to the base 5. Yes. अब क्या होगा यहाँ पे? You have to multiply these two. Yes, that basically means what? Log 2 plus x to the base 5 into log 3 to the base 5 should be equal to 1. Yes. This should be equal to 1 is what is it saying? Yeah. How will this be equal to 1? How will this be equal to 1? Yes. What value of x will ensure it's equal to 1 is what we are talking about, right? ठीक है. But let's try this out the other way around, right? What value of x will not ensure this is equal to 1? Let's talk about that. A तो वैसे हमने निकाल दिया. A is out of the question. Yes. A is out of the question because what we would end up with is if x is 1, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Log 3 to the base 5 into log 3 to the base 5, that is log 3 to the base 5 whole square is 1. Yes, वो नहीं होगा, definitely not. Why? Because the only thing to the square, only number, right? Only number, let's say k, right? The only value of k जिसका square 1 होगा क्या होगा? What is the value of k? K should either be 1 or should be -1, है ना? तो ये दोनों नहीं निकलेगा, right? It's not possible. So this A is definitely out. Yes. Let's look at B. Between 23 and 30. Yes, between 23 and 30. ठीक है. Is there any value you can think of between 23 and 30 that will make this clear? It should be between 23 and 30, not from 23 to 30. No. Yes. तो ये थोड़ा सा डाइसी है, इसको बाद में देखते हैं, राइट? x being more than 30, yes. अगर मैं x का वैल्यू 123 डाल दूं, अगर मैं यहाँ पे if I put x का वैल्यू, yes, if I take x का वैल्यू as 123, ये वाला कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए, है ना? This condition should be satisfied. So put x is equal to 123, क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? You would get what? 3 log 5 to the base 5. So 3 into log 3 to the base 5 is 1. That means log 3 to the base 5 is 1 by 3. Check करिए, is it true? Yes. Is 5 to the power 1 by 3 equal to 3? Is 5 to the power 1 by 3 equal to 3? नहीं है ना? Cube root of 5 is not 3 because 5 is not a perfect cube. Yes. Does not work out. Yes. What is left now? Between 3 and 23, right? Between 3 and 23 बचा है, between 23 and 30 बचा है, right? अब इन दोनों के बीच में आप सोचिए क्या करना है. Yes, क्या करना है सोचिए. Yeah, ये वाला क्लियर है? Yes. समर्थ किसका वैल्यू 28 ले? x का वैल्यू 28. क्या मिलेगा? x का वैल्यू 28 लेने से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा ना. We'll be left with log 6 to the base 5. उसका क्या करोगे? Yes. So let me give you a suggestion now. Right? ये थोड़ा सा लंबा जा रहा है, इसके बाद में इसका शॉर्टकट बताऊंगा. डायरेक्टली अलजेब्रा कैसे ट्राई आउट करना, डायरेक्टली अरिथमेटिक कैसे ट्राई आउट करना देखेंगे. अभी अलजेब्रिकली जा रहा है, ठीक है? तो अब यहाँ पे let's look at this. Between 23 and 30, है ना? Between 23 and 30, that basically means what? This has to be, x has to be more than 23 is what this is saying, correct? Option B के हिसाब से x has to be more than 23, है ना? तो let's try this here. Option B, yes, x being more than 23. If x is 23 itself, अगर x 23 है तो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? This will become what? Log 25 to the base 5. Yes, times log 3 to the base 5. तो यहाँ पे करके बता देता हूँ आपको, right? So this would be what? Log 25 to the base 5 into log 3 to the base 5 should be equal to 1. Yes, if this condition is to be satisfied, if this condition is to be satisfied, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 2 into log 3 to the base 5 है ना, ये 2 से ज्यादा होगा, this will be definitely more than 2, right, this will definitely be more than 2 है ना, by is equal to 1. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है log 3 to the base 5 is equal to what 1 by 2. Is it true? Is it true guys? So any value अगर ये बढ़ेगा तो और क्या होगा, this will keep dropping. Yes, this will keep dropping, which is not true. Yes, अगर ये बढ़ेगा तो 0.5 से भी कम हो जाएगा, right? 0.5 से भी कम हो जाएगा, that is very dicey. Yes, तो इसको भी आप you can let this go. Ultimately our answer should be this. Yes, our answer should be D. Now this what we have done will definitely take us more than 90 seconds. Yes, will definitely make us think if I should select between B or D. ठीक है, if I should select between B or D. Yes, so instead what you could do is this. Yes, look at this. अभी ये थोड़ा arithmetic से करेंगे, right? Let us not involve algebra here. Let's try and do this a little bit arithmetically. Yes, let's look at this. Log 5 to the base 3 है ना, log 5 to the base 3 है ना. Can I say so here I know that log 3 to the base 3 क्या होगा 1 होगा है ना, log 3 to the base 3 1 होगा, तो log 5 to the base 3 क्या होगा 1 से ज्यादा होगा. Yes, this will definitely be more than 1. Would you agree? Yes guys, yes, this will definitely be more than 1. Yeah, ठीक है. Now let's look at the other part of the range. क्या बचेगा यहाँ पे log, अच्छा तो let's look at this. Log 9 to the base 3 क्या है, what is log 9 to the base 3? This would be what, log 3 square to the base 3, that is 2. Yes, that basically means this term. Yes, log 5 to the base 3 has to be between 1 and 2, correct? अब I know log 5 to the base 3 is what, log 2 plus x to the base 3. So let's substitute that. What would we get? Our value log 1 is less than log 2 plus x to the base 5, which is less than 2. Yes, now let's write all these terms in the form of log to the base 5. ये क्या हो जाएगा, this will become log 5 to the base 5 is less than log 2 plus x to the base 5 is less than 2 है मतलब क्या 5 square, that is log 25 to the base 5. Have you understood this wala step? Yes, have you understood this step? Yes. Now let's move on. Let's take anti-log on all the ends, right? Let's take anti-log on all the ends. What would you get? You will get 5 is less than 2 plus x is less than 25. Yes, 5 is less than 2 plus x is less than 25. Yeah. If I subtract minus 2 on all of this, what would I get? 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2x plus 2 plus x minus 2 is what? X. And this would be what? 25 minus 2, 23. Yes. So instead of having a more algebraic perception towards that question, अगर थोड़ा arithmetic में जाओगे तो it will become very easy. So we are definitely getting our answer to be what? D. Yes. और यहाँ पे कुछ confusion भी नहीं है. None of the other answer choice has an intersection here. See, A क्या है between 0 and 3 और ये बोल रहा है कि this has to be definitely more than 3. Yes, B is between 23 and 30, but this is definitely saying x is less than 23. C is saying x is more than 30. That's clearly denying it. The only answer choice left is what? Option D. Yes, so what's my answer? Option D. X should lie between 3 and 23. Got it? Yes. Correct. Samarth, what you told is right. Yes. But instead, so that was our previous method, right? That was our previous method. Where we were going as an ad hoc. Someone who is a beginner, someone who hasn't practiced enough, वो वैसे वाला method में जाएगा, right? Trying out from the answer choice, that is time consuming. Yes. बट अदरवाइज ये इतना स्मूथ है, ये वाला क्वेश्चन इज स्मूथ एज बटर. या क्लियर, सुपर. पीयूष आप व्हाई डोंट यू सेंड अ टेक्स्ट टू मी ऑन टेलीग्राम. मैं आपको बता देता हूं मैं क्या क्या लिया हूं, क्या क्या नहीं लिया हूं. ठीक है, आई हैवंट टेकन डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन येट, आई हैवंट टेकन रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन येट, आई हैवंट टेकन इंटीग्रेशन येट, और डिफरेंशिएशन भी नहीं लिया. ये 4 टॉपिक्स अभी तक मैंने नहीं लिया, बाकी सारा हो गया, बाकी पूरा खत्म. यस नहीं हुआ है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पीयूष, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री भी नहीं हुआ है. या Alright, are you up for the next question? Yes, another question from CAT 2017 का second slot. Yeah, so यहाँ पे ऐसे perception आने के लिए, yes, to ensure that your point of view, you know, changes with respect to the question, right? You will have to ensure that you practice enough. Yes, you have to practice enough to ensure that your perception changes with respect to the question. Clear? Chalo, all right, let's try out the next question here. Next question. Yes, are you guys ready? Are you all ready for it? Yeah, chalo fir. Here is the next question on the screen. Timer bhi chalu ho gaya hai. Yes, this is a TITA question from 2017 second slot. Yes, definitely something that will require patience. Yes, ये वाला क्वेश्चन करने में ज्यादा स्किल्स की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? यू कैन बी एज बेसिक एज यू वांट इन दिस क्वेश्चन, बट पेशेंस बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी है, राइट? यू नीड टू हैव द पेशेंस दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. So let's see if you can answer this. Your minute is left. 1 minute is left now. Yes, try this out. Let's see what answer you get. They are asking for what? They are asking for the value of a. They're asking for the value of a. That is nothing but 2 to the power a. So they are asking the exponent of 2. Yes. And they've used the term arithmetic mean. What do you mean by arithmetic mean? The averages of the 3 numbers, right? The average of the 3 numbers. Yes. So arithmetic mean मैं बता देता हूँ आपको, if you think it's a little confusing. Arithmetic mean is what? Sum of n numbers over n, where n is the number of terms. Yes. Okay, Samarth says 9. Yatendra also says 9. Very nice. How about others? बाकी का क्या आंसर है guys? Others, what is your answer? Okay, Shubham, Piyush, very nice. So Samarth और यतेंद्र एक छोटा पार्ट भूल गए, right? Otherwise the answer is 3. Very nice. The answer is not 9, the answer is 3. Yes, you have missed out one small yet very essential part of the calculation. Yes, वो वाला miss हो गया आपसे. Yeah, so what do you know? There are 3 terms here. Yes, the arithmetic mean of the 3 terms would be what? Sum of this. So let's call this P. Yes, let's call this Q, and let's call this R. Yes, so what do you get? You have log of 2 power A into 3 power B into 5 power C to be equal to what? P plus Q plus R by 3. Correct? This basically means what? P plus Q plus R, the sum of these 3 terms is what? 3 times log. Yes, so 3 times log 2A into 3B into 5C. Yes, this is what is told to us. Yeah, or in other terms, what do we know? We know that this would be what? Log, you can take it to the exponent, so 2 power 3A into 3 power 3B into 5 power 3C. Yes, so this is our LHS. ठीक है, अब RHS को देखते हैं. Yeah, this is equal to what? The left hand side. Yes, now let's look at the RHS. What is told to us about the RHS? ये है log something plus log, correct? P plus Q plus R है ना, P plus Q plus R is RHS, right? So this plus this plus this, that basically means what? Log A plus log B plus log C would be how much, guys? Log A plus log B plus log C would be how much? Log A into B into C, correct? This is what you're going to do here, right? This is what you're going to do here. So your RHS would become what? Your RHS would become what? Log, जो भी अंदर के टर्म्स है सारे मल्टीप्लाइड, राइट? सो 2 into 2, 3 into, sorry, 2 power 2, 3 power 3 into 5 into, what do you have? 2 power 6 into 3 into 5 power 7 into 2 into 3 square into 5 power 4. Yes. So I can rewrite this. I want it in terms of 2 power something into 3 power something into 5 power something. So let's club everything from the RHS here. So what would we get? Log 2 to the power 2. Yes, log 2 to the power 2. 1. Then you have 2 to the power 6. So 2 power 2 into 2 power 6 is what? 2 power 8 into 2 power 1 is how much? 2 power 9. Yes, so log 2 power 9 into 3 का जो भी है into 5 का जो भी है, ठीक है, into 3 power whatever into 5 power whatever. 3 power क्या हो जाएगा? 3 4 6, 5 क्या हो जाएगा? 1 8 12. yes, ये जरूरी नहीं है, ये जरूरी नहीं है क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ a का वैल्यू पूछा. The only thing asked to us is what? The value of a. Yes. So what would this become? What would this become? Yes, I can equate this to. So if I take anti-log on both sides, yes, what would happen? ये log वाला part चला जाएगा. This will be equal to my LHS. That is what? 2 to the power 3a into 3 to the power 3b into 5 to the power 3c. Yes. Since the bases are equal, you can equate individual bases, right? You can equate individual bases. We get 2 power a is equal to 2 power 9. Yes, 2 power 3a, not 8, 2 power 3a is equal to 2 power 9. That means 3a is equal to 9. Ultimately means what? A is equal to 3. तो हमारा आंसर 9 नहीं है. If you say the answer is 9, you have misread the question. Arithmetic mean बोला है, sum नहीं बोला. अगर sum होता तो a 9 होता. Sum नहीं है, arithmetic mean है. Yes. So what is a? 3. So what is our answer here? Our answer is the one that you will type in your text box is what? 3. Yes. A very nice question. A very nice question. Yes. Correct, Pooja. Correct. Yes. So if A is 3, B would be 2, C would be 4. Very nice. Although B and C are not asked, but if they were asked, you know what to do now. Yes. A very beautiful question, in fact. Very beautiful question. Vijay has also given the same answer. Super, buddy. Super. Yes. Correct, Samarth. Correct. Yes. Clear? Yes. Very basic. समझ में आ रहा है अब आपको, right? If you notice, this is not testing anything extraordinary. This is testing only the basic approaches that you know already, right? This is only testing what? The basic rule of what? 1 exponent to the basic rule of product. That's it. Yes. तो यहाँ पे टैलेंट की जरूरत नहीं है, ये क्वेश्चन करने के लिए पेशेंस की जरूरत है. ठीक है. यस. एक और क्वेश्चन हो जाए, आखिरी क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. यस, आई ऑल रेडी? फटाफट से send in a thumbs up, send in something to let me know that you are ready for the next question and we'll quickly move on to that. Yeah. तैयार हो गए? या चलो फिर, चलो. Here is our next question. Yes, our last question is here on the screen. 90 seconds are on the timer. Yes, they want us to find out the value of x. Yes, then what is the value of x? Yeah. यहाँ पे आंसर चॉइसेस नहीं है. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Answer choices we missed out. I'll tell you what the answer choices were. Yes, I'll send you what the answer choices were. हाँ, I'll write in what the answer choices were. ठीक है. Option A according to this question is log 9 to the base 5. Option B is 1 plus log 3 by 5 base 5. Option C is 1 plus log 5 by 3 to the base 3. And you have option D as log 8 to the base 5. Yes, these are your answer choices. These are your answer choices. Yes. So now you also have the answer choices. Let's see if you can answer this. Yes. हाँ, ये log 52 नहीं है guys. This is also not log 52. Yes. कोई नहीं, थोड़ा इधर उधर तो चलता ही है, राइट, होता ही रहता है. Yes. This is 3 raised to the power log 2 to the base 5. Yes. This is log 2 to the base 5. ठीक है. Yes. Superb. समर्थ पिताजी, वेरी नाइस, करेक्ट आंसर. बट अब आंसर चॉइस के हिसाब से आंसर करिए. आंसर दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ द आंसर चॉइस. यस. So you are saying the answer is log 3 to the base 5. Very nice. Now answer it with the help of the answer choices. Okay, Samarth has given the answer. Very nice. Samarth has answered this. Superb. Samarth says the answer is option B. How about others? Vijay says the answer is A. ठीक है. How about others? हाँ शुभमा मैम, आई एम रियली सॉरी. अगली बार थोड़ा बेटर एडिटिंग करूंगा. यस. चलो कोई नहीं, एक और क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस हो गया. दैट मीन्स यू प्रैक्टिस्ड वन मोर क्वेश्चन. या. Superb. Samarth also says the answer is B. Vijay says B. मेरे पिताजी says B. Yatendra says B. Prince says B. Shaker also says B. Superb. Yes, the answer is option B. Very nice, guys. So what is here? What do you have here? See, you have 2 raised to the power x. Yes, is equal to 3 to the power log 2 base, right? So whenever you have log in the exponent, yes, log in the exponent, it's always better to bring it down. Yes. And how do you bring an exponent down? By taking log. Yes. So what you can do here is you can take log on both sides, right? Take log on both sides. क्या हो जाएगा? This will become 2 power x का log is what? X log 2. Yes, x log 2. This should be equal to what? I bring up the exponent here. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Log 2 to the base 5. Yes, log 2 to the base 5 into what? Into log 3. Correct? Yes, log 2 to the base 5 into log 3. Yes. So this is what we get by taking log on both sides. Yeah. Now let's look at this. यहाँ पे base 5 is definite. Okay. Here we don't have a base, and we don't want to multiply 2 logs. Yes, 2 log को multiply नहीं करना. तो क्या करोगे? You will try to remove this log. Yes, ये वाला log को remove करना है. Yes, you'll have to ensure that this log gets eliminated. This वाला part gets eliminated. How will you eliminate this? By considering this as log 3 to the base 3. मतलब on this side also would be what? Log 2 to the base 3. Are you understanding? Yes, if there is no base given, that means it's up to us to apply whatever base we have to. Yeah. So now what happens? You have x log 2 to the base 3 is equal to log 2 to the base 5 into 1. So ये वाला part गया, ये वाला part is gone. So now you have this, we need the value of x, right? We need the value of what? X. Yeah. I want, okay, now what can I do here? I want the same basis to apply any operation on both of these log values, right? I want the base to be same. तो मैं इसको swap कर दूंगा, I'll make the base 2, right? So I get what? Log 3 to the base 2, ये reciprocal हो जाएगा ना 1 by, इसको swap करेंगे, if I swap the base with the term, I'll get the reciprocal. This should be equal to what? 1 by, same thing, reciprocal. Yes, so now what do you get? X would be equal to what? X would be equal to log 3 to the base 2 by log 5 to the base 2. Yes, log 3 to the base 2 by log 5 to the base 2. Yes. Now what you can do here, can I say this is the RHS of this log 3 to the base 5? What is log 3 to the base 5 if I want to change the base to 2? Yeah, है ना? So this is what? Log 3 to the base 5. So our value of x is what? Log 3 to the base 5. Yes, but none of the answer choices match that. So what they have done is they have done an extra step. ठीक है? So I know it's definitely not A, it's definitely not D. It has to be one between B and C, right? It has to be either B or either C. Yes. So what you can do here is add 1 and subtract 1. Add 1, subtract 1 here. Yes, so what happens? X would be equal to what now? If I add 1, it becomes what? I have log 3 to the base 5. Yes, I have to add 1 in terms of log. What would it become? Log 5 to the base 5 minus log 5 to the base 5. Yes, now what they have done in the answer choice, is this is 1. ये वो 1 वाला part है, right? So x is equal to what? 1 plus something. Yeah. तो ये वो 1 plus वाला part हो गया. Now what do you have? Log 3 to the base 5 minus log 5 to the base 5. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Log x minus log y is how much? Log x by y. That is what? Log 3 by 5 to what base? 5. Yes. So my answer to this question is what? 1 plus log 3 by 5 to the base 5, which is option B. Yes. Clear hai? Yeah. So we have to change our answer. With respect to the answer given in the choices. Yeah. क्योंकि हमारे पास दूसरा कोई choice नहीं है. We can't say कि नहीं ये नहीं आ रहा. None of these अगर answer होगा यहाँ पे, let's say there is an answer choice saying none of these, that will not be my answer because log 3 to the base 5 is equal to 1 plus log 3 by 5 to the base 5. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Yes. Superb. Very good guys, very good. ठीक है, this is my time. Thank you very much for being a part of the session. Yes, if you have any questions further, if you have any confusions, yes, or if you want something to be repeated, feel free to drop in a message to me. Yes. And this is about plus. We have live classes. You can interact with educators, live polls, leaderboards, test series, live doubt clearing sessions. Yes, ये सारे करने के लिए you have to download the app. Yes, Unacademy's learning app. Go for the subscription. Prices are very nominal. I will see you tomorrow. अगर आपके पास इसके बारे में कोई question, if you have any questions with regards to this or with regards to anything from our session, please feel free to text me. Yeah. Thank you very much. Good night. I want you all to jump to Bobby Ma'am's class. I'm going to take a leave real soon. Keep learning. Let's crack it.